Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix low FPS in Assassin's Creed Shadows. In the beginning, let's go to your graphics card settings. Make sure that drivers and software is updated and then find Assassin's Creed Shadows. Make sure that gaming experience is set on the highest level, both for AMD and for NVIDIA. Enable motion fluid and super resolution. Next, enter the game. Now press F1 button, go to System and go to Options. Firstly, select borderless window. Make sure aspect ratio is correct. Disable frame limiter, set higher frame rate target, and enable dynamic resolution. Select upscaler type and upscaler quality to performance. Enable frame generation, disable motion blur and chromatic aberration. Apply your changes and now go to benchmark. The game should now run smoother. Before, I had only 30 FPS. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.